Hello, and welcome to this short tutorial on scanning for high probability stock trade setups using tools from Arps' Sentry Toolkit on the TradeStation platform. The Sentry Toolkit is a powerful set of tools from Arps' Trader's Toolbox, which can be applied to the TradeStation scanner, radar screen, and charting windows, giving you the power to identify trade setups which conform to your particular trading style. In a previous video, we discussed how to apply the Arps indicators into the TradeStation radar screen, and how to sort and scan the screen to find the stocks which best suit our setup. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the Sentry tools in the TradeStation scanner to create a list of stock symbols which fall within the parameters of our indicator filter. Let's see how it works. Let's say we want to scan every stock on the New York Stock Exchange to find those which have pulled back to the Arps trender line, successfully tested it, and then moved again in the direction of the original trend. So we'll open the TradeStation scanner and insert a new scan, which we will call Trender Pullback, after the Arps Trender Pullback tool. And we can select everything on the New York Stock Exchange and click Next. And let's put a volume filter on there to make sure that we have enough liquidity to trade this stock. So I'll have an average volume of at least 100,000. And so now we select criteria and scroll down until we find indicators. And I'll click on indicators. When the box comes up, we're going to look for the TTB Trender Pullback tool. Note that all of the scanning and radar screen tools in the toolkit begin with TTB in the title. Insert that, and we want to say that the bars ago column should be less than 4 bars ago. So we're looking for pullbacks that have happened in the last 4 bars. Now, if we want to make sure that our input settings for this tool are correct, we can click this box here and check our sensitivity. We can check, make sure our password is entered correctly. And we can check and see what interval we're scanning on. Here I've selected daily, but as you can see, TradeStation allows you to scan on intraday charts as well as weekly, monthly, and other intervals. Okay, we can close this box, and we want to make sure that we are scanning only for successful pullbacks. So let's run the scanner one more time. Find the trender pullback, insert it. This time we'll make sure that it's filtering on the percent change being greater than 0. This will help filter out those situations where the price crosses the trender line in a reversal or a deeper consolidation. I clicked on Run, and as you can see, the scan has started. There it is. We have a list of symbols. Okay. Now that we have a list of symbols, we can sort them by the most recent signal in the trender pullback by double-clicking on that heading there. And here we see the most recent ones were 2 bars ago. Here we have some 3 bars ago. And we can scan the most recent ones to find the symbols with the highest percent change in that time. Here's one, NM. Now, if I want to look at that on a chart, I would have to open a chart, and you can see this chart has this green symbol link. So I can create a green symbol link on my scanner, and now if I click on NM, as you can see, the chart will bring up NM, and we can see indeed 2 bars ago, this being the current bar, trender pullback did occur, bearish, and it has gone quite a ways in our favor since then. Now if we wanted to take this list of symbols and copy them onto our radar screen, we simply click on the first one with the shift button down, click on the last one with the shift button still down, right click, copy, and then we can open a radar screen and paste, and the entire list of recent trender pullback symbols in the New York Stock Exchange are now loaded onto my radar screen. And I happen to have all of the Sentry Toolkit tools loaded onto this radar screen, as you can see. So I can take my recent positive trender pullback signals and sort them by, let's say, the most recent acceleration change. And to do that, I will sort on the bars of go of the trend exhaustion 1, since trend exhaustion 1 is based on the acceleration oscillator, the price leader. And voila, here's the most recent trender pullback signals with the most recent price accelerations. The green ones would indicate bullish acceleration, the red ones bearish. Now, to give myself an even greater chance of success, I can compare it to the score in my triple trender and look for only symbols that are trending in a bullish manner. So I can find a recent 6 displayed here, and that would be ALU. Since we are linked with the green symbol link, I can click on ALU. You can see the chart, and here we have it. The most recent trender pullback with acceleration in our favor in a confirmed bullish trend. I hope this helps you understand a little bit about how to use Jan Arps's Sentry Toolkit in the TradeStation scanner to identify high probability trading setups. For more information on the Sentry Toolkit or any of Jan Arps's world-renowned tools, please go to our website at www.janarps.com. These are serious tools for serious traders. Thank you for your time and interest in Jan Arps's tools. We sincerely hope they help you in your efforts towards consistent profits in today's rapidly changing markets. May the trend be at your back.